So I'm always popping up some corn, and I have become obsessed with my popcorn toppings. First of all, we do not have fancy popcorn makers in my house. You can still do it old Jiffy Pop style, put a little bit of oil and some popping corn in a pot, shake it back and forth, and the kids especially love this. And you can see the popcorn hitting the top of the pot, the steam's coming out. Fascinating. If you're trying to save your calories, pop it in the microwave. If you put plain old popping corn in a brown paper lunch sack and put it in the microwave, it will pop. You don't need the oil. So this is a big hit. First of all, if you want to go the easy route, Old Bay, great on everything and anything, including popcorn. Just melted butter and Old Bay, that's a good one. Steak seasoning, like good old Montreal steak seasoning, delicious. A lot of garlic, a lot of black pepper. Or if you're real fancy and you have the money, truffle oil and truffle salt. No. Yeah, whatever, this one's good too. Cheddar cheese powder. You can order this online. A drone will bring it home before you get there tonight, really. Cheddar cheese powder, dill weed, a lot of dill. This is cheddar dill popcorn. A little granulated garlic and his best buddy, granulated onion. A little celery seed. That's my secret ingredient, no longer so secret because I just told you. You mix all that together, pour on your melted butter. I know, it's sexy, isn't it? It is. It's so sexy. And you get in there and you get the butter all over your fingers and all over your face and